Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to boost a startup on Windows 11 PC. So let's start without wasting our time. So first of all, you need to make sure that the startup apps are disabled. So right click on the task bar setting, open the task manager. Once you open the task manager, go to this tab, startup apps. Make sure all the startup apps should be disabled here except this one, the Microsoft security. Only leave it as default here enabled, and rest of the options you can, if it is enabled like this, make a right click and simply disable this. So this is the first method to troubleshoot the issue to make the system faster. In the second method, open the control panel and go to large icons here. If category is selected here, select to large, then go to power options, and if you have the option high performance, choose that. And once you have chosen that, click on this option, change power plan setting, then this option, and let me go to the back, power button does, and click on this option. And you need to make sure that you have to uncheck this option, since this will load your system faster but background processor will not be killed. So untick this option and click on save changes. If this is taking more time, you can just leave it as turn on and then click on save changes, but only the case if startup is not boosting. So in the third method, we need to make sure that window is updated, and go to this option and make sure you have chosen this option, latest window, and then click on check for update, and you are good to go. So this is the third method to fix the startup slowdown issue. In the fourth method, right click on the start menu, open the run, type there ms config as here, hit ok. Now once you hit ok, go to boot, then advance, and number of processor, choose the lowest, I mean the biggest, whatever processor you have. In my case, I have 4 processor logical, so choose the maximum one, and then click on apply, click on ok, and you are good to go. Also you can go to services and hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all and click on apply and click on ok, click on restart. The third party app will not consume your battery as well as the memory and CPU. If any kind of issue you are facing, you can revert the changes, services, then click on hide all Microsoft services and enable all, click on apply, click on ok. So after applying these method guide, I make sure that your system will be booting up faster. So hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.